Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create eBay account. So if you also want to create eBay account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So eBay is a global online marketplace that allows the users to buy and sell goods and services. So if you also want to create eBay account, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in ebay.com, press enter. Now after that, wait for a while and you'll be led to the official website of eBay. From here, you'll be able to sign in or register for your account. If you already have the account, simply click on the option sign in. After that, you'll be able to sign into your account. But if you want to create the new account for yourself, click on the option register that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. You can either create personal account or you can also create business account. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to create the personal account. Now what you have to do is enter these details that you can see right over here. Or instead of that, you can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. Now over here, what you have to do is enter your first name. Simply enter your first name. After that, enter your last name. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your email. Now after that, what you have to do is create a very strong password for yourself. Simply click on the field of password. Now after that, create a very strong password for yourself. Keep in mind your password must contain at least one letter, a number or symbol and at least 8 characters. So simply create a very strong password for yourself. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option create personal account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is add your phone number. Make sure to select your country code. Simply click on the field of country code. After that, you'll be able to select the country code. After that, what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Now after that, simply click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. The security code will be sent to your number. Simply wait for the security code. Now after you receive the security code, simply enter that security code over here. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can simplify your sign in by using PIN, face or fingerprint. If you want to continue, simply click on the option continue. Or you can also skip for now. Simply click on the option skip for now. Now after that, you can see over here your eBay account will be created. You can go ahead and set up your account. Like this, you'll be able to create the eBay account. So that is how you create eBay account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.